Hi everyone, Miss Silla here at Learn to Grow. So I'm out here in the garden getting some stuff done and just wanted to show you a couple of things. Here are some yellow and red potatoes that we harvested. And we usually try to save a few to plant in the springtime. Just want to show you how potatoes grow. As you can see, this plant already died back. Now in order for these tubers or potatoes to grow, the part that we eat, the plant will use the sugars it produces from photosynthesis and convert those sugars into starches and store them in these tubers. And those starches that are stored will be used as energy to grow new plants. If you look closely at a potato, you'll see those eyes or nodes. And that's where the new sprouts or new plants will emerge from. This is a goldenrod crab spider, and it changes its colors depending on its surroundings to match it, to catch their prey, and also to protect themselves from predators. Let's pick some of these purple potted beans, and we'll cook some, and we'll show you how the color changes. All right, let's cook these beans. Aren't they beautiful? The pigment that gives these purple beans their color is called anthocyanin. It is also found in purple cabbage and fruits like grapes and plums. Anthocyanin is a water-soluble pigment or molecule. The colors that are produced by these pigments change colors when the acidity of the cell sap is altered. Purple beans turn green when exposed to heat, either in the sun or from cooking, because the heat breaks down the anthocyanins. The heat also ruptures the plant cells, which dilutes the acidity of the sap. The green pigment or chlorophyll is revealed, that was there all along, masked by anthocyanins. I hope that you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.